Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Cozy Corner Vignette. And what I'm going to do is show you several vignettes that I've come up with. The first one here is on the coffee table, and it's actually a tray. And what I've done with it, I've went in and added a lantern with a polar bear inside, a little tree here, several acorns, and the little house. In the back, I have a sign that says, "Merry everything and a happy always." This was very easy to put together, and you can set this on your coffee table for the holidays. The little house was from Goodwill. The tree was from Target. And the lantern was from Goodwill. And the sign in the back was gifted. So this is the first vignette that I have. Now I'll go and show you the other one that I have. This is vignette number 2, and what I've done here, I'll place this one in my bathroom. I've added the little tree in this beautiful tray. I've also placed a towel, a pillow behind it, and a towel over here with the crystal. Very easy little corner vignette. The tray was from Burlington. The beautiful tree here was from Goodwill. The pillow was from a yard sale, I think. And the towels were from Home Goods. And the curtain ties here were from Ross's. That's vignette number 2. Very easy to do, and you can use this one. I have it in the bathroom. So let's go see vignette number 3. Vignette number 3. I have placed it here on my coffee table in the living room, and I'll show you what I've done with it. So with vignette number 3, I have added the Christmas tree. It's a set of 3, as you can see. I've placed it on each side of the table. In the center, in the back, I have placed the joy sign. And in the front, I have come up here with 2 reindeers, a small one and a larger one. And as I said, I have used it on the coffee table in my living room. The trees were from Ross's. The reindeers were from Big Lots. And the joy sign was from Hobby Lobby. Well, that's my 3 vignettes. I hope I've given you some ideas today on decorating a vignette for your home. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Tablescapes by Candy for inviting me to be a part of this open collaboration. I will be leaving their names and all of the participants who are doing a corner or a vignette for today. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me. If you're not a part of the family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. And please leave a comment. I do read these and I would love to hear from you. This is Emma. I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.